Today on AFOL TV, we're making Lego houseplants perfect for your Lego interiors. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here at AFOL TV, we do Lego YouTube tutorials and custom Lego mocks. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We're trying to grow this channel and we really appreciate everyone's support so far. We also offer downloadable instructions for a lot of our builds on our website, www.afolstore.com, and the link is in the description below. So, as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing Lego houseplants. We're only going to focus on these 4 because this one is extremely easy. It's just 2 one-stud plates with a little green guy on top. But as for the rest, these are the parts and pieces you'll need. So go ahead and pause the video and then come on back because it's time to start building. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.